Hey guys, how's it going, and thanks for coming. I'm Nick, and this is Real Life Money, where we talk about real life and money, because you know schools aren't. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, so let's get started. So this is a quicker one, guys, because this is a quick stock pick that we're looking into. I wasn't even going to go into the stock, but it just happened. We're talking about Tesla, because Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, is getting sued for fraud, so it dropped over 10% after hours. So this is why I want to dive into this like right now. So some pictures, you can see their year-to-date chart has kind of been all over the place, volatile, but everyone is looking at these drops after hours. Right now it's down almost 12%, and anything could really happen when the markets open. So that's why we're going to look into it. So real quick, just going into some of the numbers, we can see this is Tesla's revenue over the past few years has been growing very strongly. So that's why the stock has been growing very strongly over the years. This year has been iffy for multiple reasons, but moving into their actual income, you could see they're not making a dollar though. They're losing a ton of money, which isn't so good. However, people are kind of focused on mainly the revenue growth and how they could expand into the future. I know they're like expanding into different developing plants and all that stuff, and Elon Musk is, you know, a very intelligent individual, so that's why a lot of people are investing in Tesla basically for the future, as we all kind of knew already. But looking into assets and liabilities, we could see these right here. You can see the cash position under $3 billion, the total current assets 6.5, total assets 28.5, and moving on to the liability side, they have basically astronomical debt levels. Their short-term debt is over $12 billion. So you could definitely see why they are losing money. So there's no doubt in anyone's mind that they are expanding. I'm seeing a lot more on the roads and everything. But is it a buy or is it a sell? Especially with this new news of Elon Musk being sued. Now, main reason why he's being sued for fraud, a few months ago, there were talks of him taking the company private for $420 a share. He says he was going to fund that buyout and just buy out all the shares off of the markets. So people were questioning if he actually had that type of money. So that could be linked to the fraud, and also it's not going private. So and he was communicating through Twitter. So just all this information isn't going well against him. So I do kind of like the company, like Tesla company. However, the stock is a different story, especially now. So to be completely honest, well, first of all, when the markets open tomorrow, which is, what's tomorrow? Is going to be September 28th. It's a Friday. Anything could really happen. When the markets open, it could go down even more because people are able to trade this. Short sellers could jump on this even more, so it could drop. Or, on the other hand, it could start rising because people might see this as a buying opportunity because it's low, and they might try to raise it back up. Personally, I think it might drop more just because this isn't like a quick thing that you shove under the rug. The CEO is being charged with fraud. So I think Tesla stock is going to go out of favor for a little while. There might be a bottom at some point, but there's also that huge question, what's the future of Tesla going to look like now, especially if Elon Musk has to like step down from CEO, because he was the face of Tesla. He was the main guy that like looked into the future, had these ideas and everything. He was the main dude. So definitely something to look out for, guys. Me personally, I think it, especially now, it's definitely risky. I would honestly rather see what is going to happen first. You know, there's always that saying, buy when there's blood in the streets. There's blood in the street with this one. He's been shot in the gut and he's bleeding profusely. But we also have to see what's going to happen. So honestly, I would hold off for right now. Definitely keep an eye on it, because it could rebound very quickly. It is very volatile, but kind of see what happens. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Are you a Tesla shareholder? Are you going to buy this dip? Do you think Tesla is going to go down from this point? There's so many questions. This probably wasn't a quicker video like the other ones, but it is a very popular one that's everyone's going to be looking at it. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see ya in the next one.